everyone, and welcome back to Baby Time. I've missed you. I am Miss Chelsea if you haven't seen me on here before, and this is my helper, Mr. Bear. He's gonna help me sing with you today. And we are so excited to spend the morning with you. Are you ready to sing some songs? Yay! So before we get started, we have to say hello. And what better way to say hello than giving a wave? Can you show me how you wave? Oh, good job. Welcome, welcome everyone. Now we're here, let's have some fun. First we'll clap our hands like so. Can you give me a really loud one? Good job. Then we'll bend and touch our toes. Welcome, welcome everyone. Now we're here, let's have some fun. Yay! Okay. So for our first song, we're gonna see if we can find some body parts. So do you know where your nose is? Where's your nose? Can you show me? There's my nose. There's Mr. Bear's nose. And what about your toes? Where are your toes? Way down here. Well, hello everybody. Can you touch your nose? Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Well, hello everybody. Can you touch your nose? Touch your nose. Well, hello everybody, can you touch your toes? Touch your toes, touch your toes. Well, hello everybody, can you touch your toes? Touch your toes. Good job. Oh, this morning I am feeling super tired and I think I just need help waking up a little bit. What about you? Oh, so can we start by waking up our feet? Can you wiggle your feet? Wake them up, wake them up. And what about your little hands? Let's wiggle your hands and wake those up. And your legs, give your legs a wiggle. And your arms, wiggle your arms. And your fingers and your toes. Wake up feet, wake up feet. Wake up feet and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up feet, wake up feet. Wake up and wiggle in the morning. What else needs to be woke up? Let's wake up our hands. Wake up hands, wake up hands. Wake up hands and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up hands, wake up hands. Wake up and wiggle in the morning. What about your ears? Where are your ears? Can we wake those up? Wake up ears, wake up ears. Wake up ears and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up ears, wake up ears. Wake up and wiggle in the morning. What about your hips? Can you shake your hips? Wake up hips, wake up hips. Wake up hips and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wake up hips, wake up hips. Wake up and wiggle in the morning. Let's give one more good wiggle. Just wiggle everything. Wiggle your whole body. Good job. We clap and we clap. Can you clap with me? We clap and we clap and we stop. We clap and we clap and we stop. We clap and 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 we stop. Can you guys stop when I say stop? Good job. Okay, so we are going to get out our scarves. So if you have some of these at home, go find them because we're going to use these for our next couple of songs. And if you don't, grab anything you have lying around the house that kind of waves and that you can use as a scarf. You can use a favorite blankie or just a little soft kitchen towel or a bandana. So now we are going to wiggle again. Ready? But this time you have to be ready to stop when I say stop. We wiggle and stop. and wiggle and wiggle and stop. We wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and stop. And if you want to get up for this part, or if your little one is too small and you want to use the scarves above them, or use it as a little bit of a knee bounce song, both options work. We jump and we jump and we step. We jump and we jump and we step. We jump and 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 we stop. We twirl and we twirl and we step. We twirl and we twirl and we step. We twirl and 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 we stop. We stomp and we stomp and we stop. We stomp and we stomp and we step. We stomp and 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 we stop. Great job! Can you hold your scarf in the air like this? One bright scarf waiting on the wind to blow. Wiggle it high and wiggle it low. Wiggle it fast and wiggle it slow. Where did it go? Where did it go? Did you all hide your scarves? Where did you hide them? Did you hide them maybe behind your back? Or under your legs? Or maybe you stuffed one in the couch? Here's mine. Do any of you know how to brush your teeth? Can you show me how you brush your teeth? This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. Can you comb your hair? This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. I'm going to scrunch mine up and use it like a washcloth, or maybe you use a little scrubby at home. And this is the way we wash our face, so wash our face, so wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning. How do you wash your hands? You scrub them together. And this is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands so early in the morning. So before we put our scarves away, we have to play a game of peekaboo. Can you hide under your scarf? Can you hide? Where is baby? Where is baby? There he is. There she is. I'm so glad to see you. I'm so glad to see you. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Awesome job. So what if we trade our scarves? We put our scarves away, but we get out our shakers and make some noise this morning. Now that we're all awake, we're ready to be a little noisy. So if you don't have a shaker at home, you can easily make one. You can grab a Tupperware dish and put anything you have in the kitchen in there. Rice or beans, dried rice or dried beans, or I have walnuts in mine. And if it's one that you don't care about, you can always glue it closed so that things don't fall out if you get shaken too much, or so that the little ones don't pull it off. But it works just as good. Egg shakers up. Can you put your egg shakers up in the air? Egg shakers down. Put them all the way down. Egg shakers dancing all around the town. Shake them on your shoulder. Where's your shoulder? Shake them on your head. Where's your head? Shake them on your knees. And tuck them into bed. Can we do that one again? Ready? Egg shakers up. Egg shakers down. Egg shakers dancing all around the town. Dance them on your shoulder and dance them on your head. Dance them on your knees and tuck them into bed. Good job. Who is feeling happy this morning? I know I am. Are you all feeling happy? And you know what I like to do when I'm happy? If you're happy and you know it, shake your egg. If you're happy and you know it, shake your egg. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shake your egg. Can you tap your egg? Can you tap it on your hand? Or if you have two shakers, tap them together. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, give a tap. If you're happy and you know it, give a wave. Can you wave with your shaker? If you're happy and you know it, give a wave. If you're happy and you know it, give a wave. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, give a wave. And wave your shaker goodbye. Goodbye, shaker. So this is a fun song to do if you have trouble with changing time or diaper time and you can't get the little one to stay still, or if they're just feeling fussy that day. It's just an excuse to get those legs moving and they think they're having fun. Charlie Chaplin went to France to teach the ladies how to dance. First he did the rumba, the rumba, the rumba. Then he did the kicks, the kicks, the kicks. Then he did the samba, the samba, the samba. Then he did the splits, the splits, the splits. Good job. If you want to put your little one up on your knee, we're going to do one knee bounce song now. So this one goes like this. First you're going to be riding along smooth, and then a little bumpy, and then the road gets really rocky, and then you find a hole, and you can just gently, if you're sitting on the ground, just gently plop them down between your legs, or if not, just lower them down. Okay. A smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road. A bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road. A rocky road, a rocky road, a rocky road, a rocky road. A hole. So I did pick out a fun book to read with you today. It is called Where's Spot by Eric Hill. And we would like to thank J.P. Putnam's Sons for allowing us to read this book with you today. This is Spot. He hasn't eaten his supper. Oh, that's Spot. Hasn't eaten his supper. Where can he be? Where could he be? Is he behind the door? Do you think he's behind the door? Let's see. Is that Spot? No, that's a bear. Is he inside the clock? Maybe he's in the clock. Let's see. Is that Spot? No, that's a snake. What does a snake say? Is he in the piano? Is he in the piano? No, it's a hippopotamus in the piano. Is he under the stairs? Is that Spot? Shh, it's a lion. We don't want to wake it up. Is he in the closet? No, there's a monkey in the closet. Is he under the bed? Do you think he's under the bed? Oh no, it's an alligator under the bed. Is he in the toy box? Oh, that's a good place to hide. No, no, no. There's penguins in the toy box. Oh, there's Spot. He has to be hiding under the rug. You think he's under the rug? Let's see. It's a turtle under the rug. The turtle says we should try looking in the basket. Do you think Spot's in the basket? There's Spot. He was hiding in the basket. Good boy, Spot. And he ate his dinner all up. I have 2 more fun songs for you before we go today. The first one uses a little bit of sign language, so I'll do it 2 times to show you the song with the movement, and then we will go back and do it again. And if your little one's too small, you can always just move their hands along with you. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. We'll do it one more time. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Thank you so much for joining me today. Can you show me how you wave goodbye? We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. Yay! We wave goodbye like this. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you at one of our in-person baby times soon. We do them every Thursday downtown at 10 a.m. Thank you for joining us. Bye.